Alright, we're going to attempt to put this side on. Did alright with the little runners. I didn't have anywhere to clamp, whatever, you saw that. So, I'm going to put the side on. Hopefully catch some comedy here. I'm not exactly sure how this is going to work out. If you notice, I'll be sporting the pajama pants. My entire family has the flu. Get that? Whole family has the flu, except for me. So I haven't left my pajamas today, and it's a weekday. So here I sit, putting a desk together, or at least trying. So let's get started. Alright, finished getting this bottom stretcher. It says to go in 1/2 inch and then up 3 inches from the bottom, which I use my spacer box. Had to use this clamp to hold it together, and also one of these pinchers on the other side, but kind of awkward to get to, but it works. So now I just have these two 17-inch stretchers here for the metal shelf, and I think that's going to be it for this part of the build. And then it'll be holes filling and sanding and rinse and repeat. So there's where we stand. Alright, so got everything sanded down. I think I already did the video on that, but I've got the shelves done. Didn't film that. Got one shelf that goes here and one here, and of course this is upside down. So I just snuck up on these. It was roughly 17 inches wide by 23 and some change long. So just sat here, snuck up on it, and got them. Then pocket holes all the way around. I'm not going to do glue. It's just not needed for this, at least in my opinion. So I've got one side that's exposed. Plywood is exposed right there, so I'm going to try to attempt some edge banding. I don't even know what kind it is. Doesn't really matter. This is my first time doing this, so figure if I'm going to film something, I may as well film this. So get this ready. Got my iron high setting, and see if we can't make some edge banding go on here. Alright guys, we're ready to paint. Edge banding came out really good. Really happy with that. So, and yes, this shelf is supposed to be off this much, just because of where the plans say. Again, I wouldn't have done that, but just following the plans. So, just simple pocket holes here. No real good way to get it perfect, but it's pretty close. Again, I don't like this. I don't know, you notch the shelves maybe or something. I don't know. Just following the plans, but they're pretty good. It'll end up looking pretty good. So I am not going to fill these holes. No reason. But going to vacuum everything, wipe everything down, and go ahead and start painting. So obviously not going to film that. No need. Alright guys, ran out of memory, so I missed part of what I was doing, but I'm ready for stain now. Got everything attached, filled in some of the cracks, sanded. I had some pretty big off spots on this side. I was able to sand down. Everything is really smooth now. So started out with 80 grit, went to 120, and then 220 just now. So I just need to paint these shelves, which I'm going to do the same time as I stain, and then stain this fella. So there'll be 2 coats of sanding in between, I believe is what I do. Actually, I may not even sand in between. I'm not sure. I don't know, because I'm going to put polyurethane over the top of it. I don't know. We'll see. But I'll check back in after that. Alright guys, here's the final disc. I didn't get a chance to get anything filmed before we carried it up here and got it all together. Things I would have done different. I barely got it out of the shop, and I barely got it in here. Had to take the door off, so probably should have paid more attention to that. Everything else is not bad. Sanded, or did 2 coats of stain, 2 coats of poly, sanded in between. Turned out pretty good. Some mistakes along the way, but all in all, not too bad. Veneer worked out well on that shelf, on the sides. But yeah, not too bad at all. On to the next.